Here is something people often forget. In today's e-commerce world, visibility often comes at a cost. And for small sellers, that cost can be hard to afford. On most UK platforms, if you want to be seen, you need to invest in ads, SEO, or influencer marketing. And if you don't even have a great product, you can easily go unnoticed. Now there's another option. Temu has opened to UK local sellers. And while it's not perfect, it does offer a different path. One where discovery isn't just about how much you spend on ads, but more so to do with how well your product actually performs. It's not a magic fix, but for many it's a more accessible way to test and grow. That's the potential of Temu UK, not the only platform, but a new one that opens the door a bit wider. Temu opening up to UK local sellers matters because it gives a different kind of opportunity, especially for those priced out of traditional platforms. The sad truth is that most e-commerce sites still prioritize sellers who can spend more on ads and promotions. See, Temu doesn't eliminate competition, but it shifts the balance a bit. Its algorithm tends to reward relevance, good reviews and fast shipping, even if you're not spending on ads. For buyers, trust often comes from speed and transparency. For sellers, this means that you can test the product and get visibility with lower upfront costs. It's not a complete fix, but it does create space for small makers, niche brands and independent sellers who struggle to compete in pay-to-play environments. It's another way in, not the only one, but a more accessible one. So how do you get started? Temu's registration for UK local sellers is very straightforward. No upfront store fees, no hidden subscriptions. It's just simply 4 steps, and I'm going to go through these 4 steps right now. The first step is share your business or personal details. Company or sole traders, both works. The second point is upload the ID. This could be a driver's license or a passport. Both work equally well. The third point is that you need to provide a proof of address. Bank statements and utility bills work really well. The fourth point is to set your store name and contact information. Once you've been reviewed, you're ready to go. It's a low friction setup that makes it easier for more sellers to try things out, especially those testing ideas and starting small. Of course, visibility still depends on what you offer and how you present it to your audience. But the beautiful thing with Temu is that this is a platform where access isn't blocked by high upfront costs. Being on Temu doesn't guarantee attention. Your product still needs to earn it. The sellers who tend to stand out are the ones that focus on clarity and trust. Use your own clear photos. 4 to 6 images helps to build credibility. Add short video clips. Real use equals real trust. Write titles that reflect actual buyer searches. This title tends to perform better than just using candle, so it's very important to understand that you need to be very detailed and specific with your title. Simultaneously, you want to make it exciting as well. You don't want it to just be written candle, that's quite boring. Instead, think of being innovative with your title, something that helps it to stand out from the other candles within Temu. Be detailed, include size, materials, care tips and realistic shipping timelines. On Temu, you're not just competing with ad budgets, you're also competing with how clearly and transparent you present your product. Every single listing is a chance to build buyer trust, and that's what the algorithm tends to reward. One thing many sellers underestimate: shipping speed matters a lot. UK buyers now expect fast local delivery, and Temu's algorithm reflects that. You really need to make sure that your product arrives with speed and clarity. Sellers who dispatch quickly, pack properly and use tracked services like Royal Mail, Every and DPD tend to perform way better. Good packaging tends to prevent damage, and good reviews hinge on that. In today's market, delivery is a part of the product experience. For small sellers, getting this right is a practical way of competing with larger players. Once orders come in, it's all about maintaining momentum. Identify what sells and repeat and double down on that, and kill what isn't selling too well. That's your engine. That's how you're going to scale from this level to that level. Join in platform promos, new seller discounts, or free shipping days help increase visibility without ad spend. And remember, reply quickly to messages. Your response time impacts your ranking, and also remember that they are just going to go to your competition if you're not responding appropriately, and that's a lost transaction which can be easily avoided by you just being a bit more focused on the money ball. Also, ensure that you include a thank you note asking for reviews. Verified reviews carry real weight in the modern economy. Look, Temu's system isn't perfect, but it does encourage sellers to focus on product and service, and not just budget, which is what happens with other platforms. And this is why certain platforms have really lost. And the beautiful thing is, focusing on these small habits will increase long-term visibility over time. It's another way to earn trust, one that's just not based on dollars, but actually based on delivery. Here comes the real smart part. Temu's ranking and tagging system. Good local products earn badges like bestseller, most repurchased, top rated. These aren't for sale, these are data driven based on real buyer behavior. So the right to be seen is tied to your product doing exactly what it's meant to do, not your marketing spend. It's basically Temu using your actual sales to optimize its own supply chain, and you will absolutely win in the process. More free traffic just for playing fair. So the million-dollar question is Temu the answer to everything? No. In fact, no platform is. But for UK small sellers, it opens a door that was harder to push before. It's still a competitive space, but one where you don't need the big budget just to be considered. If your product is solid, your listing is clear, and your service is reliable, you can earn attention the steady way. It's not just about selling, it's about having the chance to be seen. And that for many is the most valuable starting point. Look, it's time for me to round up this video. I do hope you found it useful, helpful. And if you did, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. I also want you to check out the top link in my description if you're ready to take the journey as a UK local seller and finally get on Temu so that you can get your first listing going, so you can actually get those sales coming in. Anyways, like I said, I'm rounding up the video, and I want to say thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video where we are going to be talking about more finance, business and entrepreneurship like we always do. Bye bye for now.